Introduction. Every day we do many activities. We swim, we run, we play, and many others. Friends, do you know a bones and muscles play an important role in performing all such activities? Bones and muscles are the important part of our body, which makes all bodily movement possible. Come on, let's learn more about this in this lesson. Bones and muscles. Every single person has a skeleton made up of many bones. These bones give your body a structure. Do you know a baby has near about 300 bones and an adult has 206? This is because some of our bones fuse as we grow up. Let's know functions of bones. Bones give shape and support to the body. They help in body movements. They protect the delicate vital organs like the brain and the heart in our body. Joints. The bones are fitted together by means of certain structure. This structure are called joints. There are two main types of joints: immovable joints and movable joints. Let us first discuss what immovable joints are. Immovable joints are the joints where no movement of the bones is possible. Joints of the bones of the skull are immovable joints. Most movable joints are allow free movements of body parts, whereas in some joints only a little movement is possible. Movable joints are grouped in four types on the basis of its movement: hinge joint, ball and socket joint, gliding joint, and pivot joint. Come, let us discuss of joints in detail. Hinge joint. Hinge joints are formed between two or more bones, where the bones can only move along one axis. Elbow, knee, ankle are the examples of hinge joints. Ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joints allow the connected bones to move in many directions. The hip and shoulder joints are the examples of this joint. Gliding joints. Gliding joints allow movement between the connecting bones. These are found between the vertebrae and in the wrist and ankle. Pivot joint. This joint allows the skull to be moved from side to side and up and down. This joint is found between the skull and first two vertebrae. Friends, do you know if you fracture a bone it will heal? A broken bone produces new cells and blood vessels to rebuild itself. The cells cover both ends of the fracture and close it up until it is as good as new. Muscles. There are about 650 muscles present in an adult human body. Muscles are made up of lots of fibers and generally attached to the bones by means of tendons. Muscles along with bones help to give shape to the body. They also help the different part of the body to make the movement. According to their functions, muscles are of two types: voluntary muscles and involuntary muscles. Some actions are performed whenever we wish, like eating, laughing, etc. We can start or stop these actions whenever we want. Muscles that carried out these actions act according to our wishes are called voluntary muscles. Movements brought about by voluntary muscles are called voluntary movements. Our arms and legs contains voluntary muscles. The functions of stomach, heart and lungs go on in a fixed manner. The functions of these organs are not depend on our wishes. They work by themselves. Such muscles are called involuntary muscles, and their movements are called involuntary movements. For a good health, it is important that our muscles should be strong and functioning efficiently. Regular exercise makes a muscle strong. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learnt. Every single person has a skeleton made up of many bones. These bones give your body a structure. The bones are fitted together by means of certain structure. This structure are called joints. There are two types of joints: movable joints and immovable joints. Movable joints are of four types: hinge joint, ball and socket joint, gliding joint, and pivot joint. Muscles are made up of fibers. Muscles along with bones help to give shape to the body. There are two types of muscles present in our body: voluntary muscles, involuntary muscles.